We're here in Idlib, Jigsaw village 2. Alhamdulillah, we visited some family there. We saw them, we spoke to them, and we could see slowly people have started to move in there. We also went to Jigsaw village 2's Masjid al-Sunnah, which alhamdulillah you guys donated towards. We prayed there, we prayed our salah there. So we're back here at Jigsaw village 1, and as you can see, people are living here. Alhamdulillah, this is where it all started off. Also, we visited the school. We're here now, and as you can see, and this is our schedule for today.